Assalamu alaikum students. This is lecture number 2 of chapter number 2, integers, rational numbers and real numbers. So this is question number 3 of exercise 2a. So the statement is fill in the blanks with greater than or less than signs. So basically we have two signs. This one is greater than sign and this one is less than sign. Greater than, and this one is less than. So basically, these signs are used to compare two numbers with their size. So part A, in part A, we have two numbers 16 and 60. So obviously, if you see the number line, it starts from negative numbers and then zero comes and finally it goes towards the positive numbers. So these are positive numbers, and this region is actually consist of negative numbers, and this is 0, which is neither positive nor negative. So 60 and 16, obviously 60 will be most left or right side of this number line, so so 60 is greater than 16. So how to write the sign? The open side of the sign should point towards 60. So this is your answer. 16 less than 60, or it can also be read as 60 is greater than 16. 16 less than 60 or 60 greater than 16. Both statements are correct. Part E. Here we have two numbers, -2 and 0. In the number line, you can see that 0 comes after -2. It means 0 is greater than -2. So that is why I'm writing this sign in the blank. This sign shows that 0 is greater than -2 or -2 is less than 0. As the open side of this sign points towards 0. So obviously 0 is greater than -2. In part F, we have two numbers 9.8 and negative 9.9. Negative number is always less than the positive number. So it is very obvious that we should write this sign like this. And you can see that the open side of this sign points towards 9.8, which is greater than minus 9.99, minus 9.9. So this is read as 9.8 greater than negative 9.9, or negative 9.9 is less than 9.8. So both statements are correct. So part C, B and D will be given in your homework. I'm doing the next question. Question number 4. The statement is use a number line to illustrate each of the following. So we have been given numbers or list of the numbers, and we have to put this each number on the number line. So I'm doing part A first. In part A, you can see that the numbers are 2 whole 2 over 5, which means this number is greater than 2 and less than 3. It is actually greater than 2, greater than 2, and less than 3. Whereas 0, other numbers are 0, negative 4, 6, and minus 2.8. And what about this? Negative 2.8. Negative 2.8 should be between negative 3 and negative 2. So I'm doing this part first. Part A, drawing a number line. So suppose this point is actually representing 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this one is 7. So negative numbers are -1, -2, -3, -4. So I am writing the numbers given in the list with this blue color marker. So first number is 2 whole 2 or 5, which should be between 2 and 3. So I guess this should be here. This number is 2 whole 2 by 5. Second number is 0. So just make a small circle, filled circle on 0. Then -4, this one, and then +6 or +6, then -2.8. So -2.8 should exist between -2 and -3. So I guess this one, this point is -2.8. So we have solved this part A. Now I'm going towards part D. Part D says positive integers less than 10. Less than 10 positive integers. So again, I'm drawing a number line for this part B, sorry, part D. Suppose this is 0, this is -1, this is -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So this is a number line. So positive integers less than 10, less than 10. So it means 10 is not included in this list. So which one is the less than 10 number? It is obviously positive integers 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we know that 0 is not positive integer. It is neither positive nor negative. So the list starts from 1 to 9. 1 and it ends at 9. So these are the numbers which are less than 10 and are positive integers. So this is your home assignment, exercise 2A, the same exercise, question number 3 and 4 complete, including the parts that we have discussed today in this lecture. And along with the practice now question on page number 29 of your D-1 book. And it has actually two questions, question 1 and 2. The practice now portion has two questions, question 1 and 2. And you will find these questions on page number 29. So this is your home assignment. Uh, you're supposed to do this in order to reinforce the concepts that we have studied. All right, this is the end of lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.